Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Going to give you a tour of the Reid International Airport here. Come along with me, lots to see and do. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, I am on the road and my microphone, my travel microphone, has broken. So I can't fix that until I get home tomorrow. So I am recording directly into a laptop microphone, which I know sounds awful. So I'm not going to do too much commentary on this video. I'm bringing up the background noise so you can get the sights and sounds of the airport. I'll play a little music in the background and I'll interrupt here and there when need be. I do want to say right off the bat that if I was ever stuck in an airport for the rest of my life, it would have to be the Las Vegas Reid International Airport. I just love this airport. It's got so many shopping options, tons of food options, as you'll see. I just really like it. It's huge. There's so much to see and do here for an airport. It's crazy. So let's check it out. Did any of you guys ever see the Tom Hanks movie The Terminal, where he is a immigrant stuck in an airport because of paper issues, or red tape I should say, for several years? That's what I'm talking about. If you had to get stuck in an airport, this would be mine. As you'll also see during the video, the airport has some pretty good art, and I try to show it off here in the video. Considering all the diamonds on these hats, $30 is a pretty good deal.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Another shout out to Richard Hales, who left yet another super thanks in my last video. Richard, thank you so much for the super thanks you've been giving lately. I really do appreciate your supporting the New York channel. Don't forget guys, click on that thanks button underneath the video and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video as well.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Hold on tight.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.